Coffee is life at Kape Umali. Premium coffee, blended, flavored, single origin specialties. Both local and import, roasted to perfection by artisan roasters. Kape Umali is FDA approved as import and export manufacturer. Now with 5 branches on key locations in Baguio, Public Market, Shangrila Village, Mines View, Session Road, and Hangar Market. For your orders, call 074-665-6947 or text at 0915-445-4416. You can also email them at kapeumali@gmail.com or visit www.kapeumali.com and follow them on Facebook, IG, Tumblr, Twitter, and YouTube at Kape Umali. Kape Umali, the coffee authority in Baguio with over 73 years in the coffee business. Stay caffeinated, stay Kape Umali.